Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making an Oreo Naked Cake. This cake has 3 different types of frosting: Oreo frosting, chocolate frosting, and vanilla frosting. And I even cover the top in 2 different types of Oreos and a cookies and cream chocolate bar. I know you're gonna love this cake. Without further ado, let's get right to the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 4 8-inch chocolate cakes, vanilla buttercream, cookies and cream chocolate, Oreo minis, and finally regular Oreos. Let's start off by adding 1/3 of the buttercream into 2 different bowls. To the first bowl, sift in half a cup of cocoa powder, and to the second bowl, sift in half a cup of Oreo crumbs. To make the Oreo crumbs, just grind up the regular Oreos in a food processor. Then use large spoons to mix together the chocolate and Oreo buttercream. Next, level the cakes using a cake leveler. You can also use a serrated knife and a ruler. To assemble the cake, begin by piping some vanilla buttercream to secure down the first cake. Now, using the same piping bag fitted with a Wilton 1A piping tip, pipe dollops of frosting covering the entire layer. Place on the next layer and repeat the process using the Oreo buttercream. Then stack on the third cake and pipe out dollops made of the chocolate frosting. Lastly, place on the final cake and cover it in white buttercream dollops. For decoration, start off by sprinkling some Oreo crumbs above the dollops. Next, decorate the top with regular Oreos, mini Oreos, and cookies and cream chocolate however you want. And the cake is done. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This cake is much easier than any frosted cake and it tastes just as good. Thanks for watching!